Visit elections.hawaii.gov to access the online candidate system. The tool conveniently allows you to produce and print a nomination paper to use for collecting signatures. Before you start, make sure you have your Hawaii driver's license or state ID or social security number, a printer, and paper. Begin by clicking Start here. Provide your identification information. All fields are required. Be sure the ID number you type is exactly as it appears on your ID card. Continue by clicking Next. Check that your voter registration information is current. Then, click Obtain Nomination Paper. If you need to update your registration, you may do so online by visiting elections.hawaii.gov. Make sure you meet the qualifications for the office you are seeking. After acknowledging that you do, click Next. Complete the application. If you have a campaign mailing address, you may enter it here. Enter a contact person as your campaign manager, or you may leave it blank. Select the jurisdiction you are running in. Based on the jurisdiction you selected, a list of corresponding offices will populate below. Before entering in your ballot name, review the restrictions and guidelines. Carefully follow the example to ensure you have used the proper format. After acknowledging the statement, click Next. Carefully review your information and make sure to check for correct spelling. Then click Submit. Click Download Nomination Paper. To print your nomination paper, you must click on the printer icon at the top of the page. Using the printer icon ensures that your nomination paper is properly formatted for printing. Make sure all pages print completely and nothing is cut off. Incomplete or altered nomination papers will not be accepted. Visit the Become a Candidate page on our website for more information, including the filing fee and locations to file your nomination paper.